Hey guys, I'm going to share with you all an easy way to make lobster roti at home. You're going to season your lobster meat with salt, lemon pepper, fish seasoning, green seasoning, tomatoes, scallions, onions, mix and set aside to marinate for a little. Next, to a pan, add your oil and some curry leaves, some chopped onions and peppers, saute until light brown. Then go in with your curry powder. I like using a dark and a mild. Allow that to toast until it feels greeny. Then add in some water to help the curry cook. Cook until it turns into a thick paste. And then add in the seasoned lobster and toss well. Now this is not going to take very long to cook. So cover and allow it to cook for around 5 minutes. Once it's done, we're going to add in some coconut milk powder. Give that a mix. Taste and adjust your salt and set this aside. The trick is to pick up a roti skin at your favorite roti shop and then assemble with your curry potato and your curry lobster, some pepper sauce, and then wrap. Or you can dip and eat. How delicious and amazing and easy is this to make at home? Try this recipe, let me know what you all think. And this one was especially made for my friend Lisa, who requested this video.